powerful fruits improving kidney cleanse and methods of consumption. You cannot be generally healthy without your kidneys. From your blood, they filter waste and extra fluids, which you then eliminate in your urine. Eating a good diet helps you to maintain the best condition of your kidneys. Some fruits especially help to maintain renal function. We will discuss strong fruits in this post that can assist your kidneys get cleansed as well as strategies to enjoy them. 1. Cranberries. Little, tangy berries bursting with nutrition are cranberries. Their contribution in avoiding urinary tract infections, UTIs, is well known. By lowering inflammation and stopping bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, cranberries can also assist your kidneys be cleaned. How to savor cranberries. Sip cranberry juice. Choose unsweetened forms to cut out on extra sugar. Add dried cranberries to yogurt, cereal, or salad. Prepare cranberry sauce to go with your dinners. 2. Blueberries. Antioxidants abound in blueberries help shield your cells from injury. They offer manganese, fiber, and vitamin C. These minerals improve kidney health generally and assist lower inflammation. How to enjoy blueberries. Eat them as a snack fresh. Slice them into smoothies. Bake them into muffins or toss them into cereals. 3. Strawberries. Delicious and bursting in minerals and vitamins are strawberries. They are heavy in antioxidants, which can help shield your kidneys from harm. Furthermore, high in fiber, strawberries help your digestive system. How to taste strawberries. Eat them fresh or treat them by dipping dark chocolate. Add them to your yogurt or morning porridge. Create a strawberry salad with walnuts and spinach. 4. Watery. Watermelons are reviving and hydrating. It's around 92% water content helps keep your kidneys cleansed and hydrated. Lycopene, an antioxidant that guards against harm to your cells, is also found in watermelon. How to savor watermelon. Eat it sliced fresh. Turn it into a juice or smoothie. Stow it alongside mint in a fruit salad. 5. Apples. A terrific source of vitamin C and fiber, apples. They enhance renal performance and assist to lower inflammation. Regular apple consumption helps to maintain renal health and ward against kidney stones. Eat apples fresh as a snack too. Have fun with them. Cut apples with peanut butter. For a good dessert, bake them cinnamon flavored. 6. Lemons. Lemons abound in citrus acid and vitamin C. By raising urine volume and pH and so changing the environment in which kidney stones develop, citric acid can help avoid them. How to enjoy them. Squeeze fresh lemons into your water. Drizzle your salad dressings with lemon juice. Create a lemon smoothie with cucumbers and spinach. 7. Pomegranates. Pomegranates pack vitamins and antioxidants. They guard your kidneys from injury and help lower inflammation. Furthermore, enhancing blood circulation, pomegranates help kidney performance. How to enjoy pomegranates. Eat the seeds straightforwardly. Consumption pomegranate juice. Toss the seeds into yogurt or salads. 8. Cherries. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents abound in cherries. They shield your kidneys and assist to lower inflammation. Eating cherries can also help reduce your gout risk, so benefiting kidney function. How to enjoy cherries. Eat them as a snack straight away. Put them with your breakfast cereals. Bake them either as tarts or pies. 9. Oranges. Oranges load with vitamin C and fiber. They enhance kidney health and assist to lower inflammation. Oranges' great water content also keeps your kidneys hydrated. How to enjoy oranges? Eat them as a snack straight away. Enjoy fresh orange juice. Put orange slices into your salads. 10. Grapes. Antioxidants abound in grapes, which guard your cells from damage. Their vitamins C and K help kidneys function by nature. Furthermore, high in water content, grapes aid to maintain renal hydration. Eat grapes straight out of fresh as a snack. Freeze them for a novel delicacy. Add them on cheese courses or salads. 11. Pineapple. Pineapple packs manganese, bromelain, and vitamin C. One enzyme that aids in digestion improvement and inflammation reduction is bromelain. Pineapple enhances general renal performance and helps your kidneys clean themselves. Either eat pineapple fresh or toss it into fruit salads. Add it to smoothies. Pineapple slices grilled will make a great dessert. 12. Papaya. A tropical fruit bursting in vitamins A, C, and E is papaya. Its anti-inflammatory qualities assist to lower kidney irritation. Additionally helpful for digestion and kidney stone prevention is papaya. Eat papaya fresh with lime squeeze to enhance its taste. Include it into your smoothies. Make a mango, pineapple, and papaya tropical fruit salad. 13. Mangoes. Mangoes are great and loaded in vitamins A and C. They enhance kidney health and assist to lower inflammation. Mango's high water content also helps to keep your kidneys hydrated. Eat mangoes fresh as a snack. Combine them for smoothies. Spoon them into your salsas or fruit salads. 14. Kiwi. Kiwis abound in vitamin C and antioxidants. They guard your kidneys and help lower inflammation. Kiwis also include fiber, which benefits digestive health. Either eat kiwis fresh or toss them into fruit salads. Slice them into smoothies. Kiwi slices will top your yogurt or cereals. 15. Bananas. A fantastic supply of potassium, which kidney function depends on, are bananas. They lower risk of kidney stones and help control blood pressure. Bananas also give energy and help kidneys to function generally. Eat them fresh for a snack. Put them in your porridge or morning cereals. Use them in baking or create smoothies from them. Advice for appreciating these fruits. Including a range of these fruits will help you to maximize their benefits. To maximize their nutrients, try to eat them fresh whenever at all possible. They can also be included into several meals and snacks spread across the day. These ideas will enable you to enjoy these fruits. 1. Fruit salads. Make a vibrant and nourishing fruit salad by combining many different fruits. For more taste, toss in a squeeze of lime or lemon juice. 2. Smoothies. For a cool and nutritious smoothie, toss your preferred fruits with some water, yogurt, or a non-dairy milk. 3. Breakfast toppings. Add yogurt, oats, or breakfast cereals, fresh or dried fruits. Starting your day with a nutrient boost, this is a terrific approach. 4. Keep fresh fruit available for a quick and nutritious snack. Cut fruits so they are ready to eat and pre-wash them. Use fruits to create healthful treats including fruit parfaits, fruit tarts, baked fruit topped with cinnamon. Create your own fresh fruit juices here. Steer clear of store-bought juices, sometimes heavy in added sugars. For a cool and reviving treat, freeze grapes, berries, or banana slices. One great and efficient approach to help your kidney function is including a range of fruits in your diet. A rainbow of nutrients and advantages abound from fruits like cranberries, blueberries, strawberries, melons, apples, lemons, pomegranates, cherries, oranges, grapes, pineapple, papaya, mangoes, kiwis, and bananas. Regular consumption of these fruits helps your kidneys be cleaned and preserves general health. If you have any questions about the state of your kidneys, keep in mind to eat a balanced diet, drink enough of water, and see your doctor. As part of your regular diet, savor these strong fruits' inherent flavor and health advantages. Thank you for joining us on Herbalist channel today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring on your journey toward better health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on herbal remedies, health tips, and nutritious recipes. Remember, nature has provided us with incredible healing properties through plants, and we're here to explore them together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and stay tuned to Herbalist channel. Take care.